And enough girl don't like her. You know why enough girl like her? So her body big. With the DownTown, remember Pigeon Street, straight for sure way with it. You can get a earbuds for $1,000. Mr. Chin, do this and beat me. You cannot do this, China boy. Remember me a black man, so me cater for the Jamaicans. Because me not send go overseas and come selling them for $1 million no. And everybody have money. Watch it now. We have the cartel shirt, you hear that? Brawley, you don't know, fully Gaza. Gaza for life, fully Gaza. Me alone going to them money. We have the jacket suit for the female them. You see what I say? We have all size, you know, bad bro. So those, and we have a nice t-shirt them. $1,000. We have Louis V. We have polo. Me not tell about polo where the man have 6 leg ride the donkey. We not talk about that car, that not ready. We have Nike. You hear that bad bro? We have Puma. We have cartel all around in the circle. And watch out, baby, you can't just give me 12 days because cartel say don't pressure people them. Because cartel keep Freedom Street. And watch out now, through weed, I was a die-hearted fan with some other people. Some people don't really have no money for go Freedom Street. So teacher, take a break and him say, here we go. Discount, Black Friday, Freedom Street. Some tell us guys are real youth, cartel are real youth. Some of them pussy are ungrateful, them artists boy, them look out for themselves. But bro, take down the cartel there. But cartel, remember me tell me artists be rated to the ground where you walk, man. Me love how you have the girl tune. We know say you're fully bad. And me can tell you this, brawling. Cartel can go anywhere in the world and nobody not do him nothing. Him not do no security. We as Jamaican are security because we not do him nothing. Everybody love cartel. So you hear some boy talk about cartel can't go there so call him this and him that. I chat too much. But you hear some boy do them interview there, you know. If them walk around man roll them and box them down, you know, bro. Better Jamaica, we love cartel, you know, bro. We don't love, not even respect due to Bob Marley, but we don't love Bob Marley like how we love cartel. You hear that? Bye, bro. I want you fully cartel. Take it off fire up, man. Because them thing a play thing. Brawling. One DownTown. They are 360p camera. See there? See there? She cock up to you, know, bro. And this, a Brazilian. This is not Peruvian. Thank you, nice lady, for your support. Let's say big up Jamaica walk by.
Can I get a large?
Can I get a large, please, and thank you. I tell them, you know, we all see them, and we have Tanisha. But murder to Tanisha. I see them, me I go with her, she, the boss, I go with her. You hear that? You see anything cartel say, that's a law, and attack me and everything. So if the boss say, see them, because you know none of we are talking, see them. So you know, see them with them. Tanisha, easy, a little step. Because all we as a fan, could have waited for cartel for 30 years, but to 40 years. And you as the man, Cathy, we get a bag of money. She never wall out, bro. Bro, you know, say we reach cartel, reach me already. You have ungrateful girl. Me there jail and call a girl and say, hello. And the girl said, don't call my phone. I'm looking for call the right number. I'm call back the girl. And man said, you know, you have to say no call back the phone. And look at me now. Them there in my league. Me have girl till my choose and refuse. Oh no man.
Yeah, massive, you don't know, it's another festive season with the DownTown. And I tell you, say DownTown is always a vibe, as always. You understand? I write some stand up on Pecan Street, you know what I mean? Big up, well, me always say Pecan, but a Pigeon Street. You understand? As the general saying at the background. You know what I mean? So big up every time to everybody we are watching. So this time is actually a different type of episode here on Jamaica Walk By. So we're going to walk downtown. We're going to find out Wagwan, what the people them feel, how them feel for the new year. If everything what them do, this year them still going to continue down in the next year. Make we find out now. So we're going to kickstart the ball like this. If you are watching Jamaica Walk By and not yet subscribe, please may I ask if you subscribe to the channel, because you don't know we're on a road to get some millions of subscribers, because we want to spread the message the right way. And we need the numbers in. So we're downtown and we're just walk through downtown and talk to the people, them find out Wagwan. People them a sell, people them a wall a vibe, clothes, whole heap of thing, festivity. We want to know. We just have to find out everything and we're going to ask some question and see what going on in the street. So let's do this. Yes, so right now, me actually stand up on my general. You understand? This man, him deal with a bunch of things. No joke, no doubt. How we there with again?
Saving from Winston, Fraser.
Winston?
Yeah, Fraser I'm a surname. And you know, I say, I deal with baking things, saving fun. All kind of things we make. All purpose.
That is it. But so tell me now, let me ask you a question. Because I see say I be a things and then the first time me have video you think them on Jamaica Walk By. Low good massive, right on Pigeon Street. So let me ask you. So you've been to do this for a little while you know, don't you? But how much years you do this for?
47 years me I do it, 47 years.
47 years?
Yeah, all of my life I know this it there. You know, everything I get, at this me get it out there.
So
I'm not hungry, I'm belly not full, but you know, yeah, alright.
So let me ask you, how you get to learn this? Who teach you the work? Where you get it from?
I just see it over Spanish store, you know. I just see the shop and I just interested and say, I'm going to do it. And it pay off because the way I love it, I don't do nothing else so I learn it.
Just like that?
Yeah, 47 years now. I just love it. Every day I love it more and more.
Alright, so you've been doing it for 47 years and things. So you feel like, say, for 2024, you can accomplish everything at all where you did want accomplish from it in a 2024?
And everything, you know I get everything, but I'm satisfied, I make it. I'm satisfied where I get, because you know what say it could have worse. So I'm satisfied where I get. You understand? Better than 23. This year better.
Alright, so that means with everything we have been to do so far, you are going to continue in a 2025 with the same pace there, or you are going to slow down, or you are going harder.
I go harder, man. Because you have to go harder to see it better, you know. So I go harder, you see it? Wow. Yeah, if you achieve what we did want in a 24.
Alright, so take the phone and big up some people and send out some bushes.
Yeah, man. Big up my daughter and big up my workers. Sydney round at the back. Big him up. I would believe me I big up. Big up my neighbor. Boy, so brown there. So I'm sorry, some of them get attacked still. But big up the whole Jamaica, you know. But me now, I tell you, say, biggest thing for my brain now, when I go big up now, is my sister and brother and my daughter. We gone a foreign last week, Saturday, Jody. She had my heartbeat. When I say heartbeat, and a woman thing, you know, me pick me. Because some people you say a heartbeat, they feel like a woman alone, you can't say a heartbeat. Your picnic can come to be your heartbeat, you see? I'm a picnic. You don't see it. I'm a lover because she got you take pass out and hold up her head that she married and gone and foreign to her husband when I grade. Big her up, you know?
Well said, you hear that? So, big up every time and respect and stay tuned to everything we are do and keep on going. See? That is it. Mr. Winston, right? Big up Mr. Winston every time. Yes, alright, and now we're still down at town. I mean, I tell us, you don't know town is all about hustling. It's all about all of the great things. Alright, that's how we're there. Who's there?
Yeah, man, you know, say a Tuggy freshman, one Tuggy the freshman. You know the damn thing, go outside, you know, as usual, though.
That is it. So, Tuggy the fresh. You understand? How does sound like an artist name, sir?
Yeah, man, it's an artist name. You know, my entertainer, / hustler, / igler, / all-star. You know the thing, go. Yeah, man.
Give me 2 lyrics and you're dropping.
Definitely, man. Step in the street, be a girl, look. I tell a friend, say me sweet like sugar. If you bad mind, no good. Catch a one and no tell me you shoulda. I no limbo, I no soca. Go look, Maria poka. Opa, eh? Naughty bad mind, no good. Opa, eh? No good, move and go. You know, 2024 ready 2025. You know the damn thing go. All bad mind get cut. Yes.
So, G, right now you say hustler, artist, bad sitting, beer sitting and go on and thing and you're down at town. So right now, so you feel like way that will be 2024, you're going to 2025 with it?
Yeah, man, definitely, man. What you say, man, you know, say, what me I do for 2024 right now, I take care of my kids, them, and see that my life all right, and my bills, them, will done take care of and things. So I have to continue to do them things, and it's only just for 2024, but everlasting, you know.
Alright, you say big up your kids, them. Yo, you say big up your kids, them.
Yeah, man, big up my son Kashari, big up my son Tawin, and big up my daughter. You know the thing, go. We are real father, and turn out to be godfather. Oh.
Where say? I want this below my nose.
You know, I hate your use. I'm out.
We're outside. So right now on the street, look good. And money I juggle. Tell them why you juggle right now.
Yeah, man, we juggle clothes, we juggle earpod, we juggle earpiece, we have phone case, what if a thing, man, shoes, you name it. We have been to an anchor. You know, say we have the money out here, we have to be the money conquer. So you know, I don't at town. Everything there I sell, man, everything outside. Yo, big up my brother, shut your boss. Like a blast from the past, never yet last. You know the damn thing, go. We out here.
So right now, you don't know me there, I'm a clean step up friend them, don't play with the joke. That man there, one shut up, this is my father, I say, yo, shut it! Yo, man, yo, shut it!
You know, Jamaica walk by you for free. Because everybody have cartel shirt, but them now have the concert shirt. Well, pan over in face there, so. Me not tell you about the look of commoners one everybody have. Me tell you about Freedom Street. Check it out, watch ya. So my brethren turn over here. Freedom Street. We not tell you about the fully Gaza, the real thing. We not tell you about the look of knock out, the look of camouflage thing. The commoners one. We not tell you about the live concert one. You hear that? Fully Gaza. And you can't say Gaza, you not say shut boss. One done son. What you know what by? Because the people them say me a keep up the Gaza town, you know. You hear that? Me don't know why them say that. Because them a say enough boy not play Gaza, but them say me play Gaza right too.
So watch out now, let me ask you something. So Shete, so for 2024, me know say you've been in the street, you've been in the hustle, you've been on the grind, you use the image. You understand? So tell me now, so you say for 2024, you continue, or you drop something, or you go harder, which one?
You know, say for the for the 25. Yeah, come here for correct you. For the 20, me go hard, you know, but me go harder. You see the level where me go pan for 25, the pussy them can't keep up to me. See, I call them can't keep up with Vybz Kartel, them chat and so, but we still a do good. And so me a do it for 2025. You hear that? Remember Kartel say, for the new year, remember good no man, I want here man, no new friend. You hear that? Fully Gaza we out here. Brawling, remember good no man, one DownTown, Jamaica walk by. Barca living, Casa living. One real boss, I want here man, remember Freedom Street. December the 31st, you know, want to see some pussy on the ground. I want soon on Freedom Street to do the girl by my side. So if you go and come out, come party with the boss, you hear that? Boss are living, class are living, one DownTown, big up the whole of DownTown, big up Pernell Charge, big up Parade, big up Princess Street, big up Pigeon Street, big up Loke Lane, big up the Manchester girl in my Matches Lane. Follow me on TikTok. Shete Boss, aka the Prodigy. You hear that? I'm older than my nose. I'm out.
So yeah, me there with a nice, beautiful, clean skin girl. Look on her. 360 to the man, them see a man, she's on a joke thing me talk about. That is it, man. Figure that DownTown. So, you understand? So my friend, right now here the DownTown is a vibe. Me say it's an energy down here as always. Don't it? So let me ask you, you feel like what you do for 2024, you go continue with it in 2025?
Well, I don't want to go to school for 2025, but yeah, we feel like so we still going to out on the road for 2025. Same thing what we do 2024, it now stop for 2025. So yeah, man, everybody got my cousin concert, because you know say it go mad.
Yeah, big up some people too, man. Who you want big up? Big up some people.
Big up my mother,
yeah,
and my father, and my sister them. Don't know some love them, and big up my Kartel, my cousin. Don't know some love you. So just big up on him concert.
Well said, my friend. See, I check the roll out again.
We have see them and we have Tanisha. But murder to Tanisha. I see them me I go with because she the boss are going. You hear that? You see anything Kartel say, that's a law and attack me everything. So if the boss say see them, because you know none of we have done see them. So you know see them with them. Tanisha easy a little step. Because all we as a fan could have waited for Kartel for 13 and go to 14 here. And you as the man Cathy, we get a bag of money. She never will out, bro. Bro, you know say we reach Kartel, reach me already. You have unfaithful girl. Me there jail and call a girl and say, hello. And the girl said, don't call my phone. I'm looking for call the right number. I'm call back the girl. And man said, you know you have to say no call back the phone. And look at me now. Them there in my league. Me have girl till me choose and refuse. I own a man. One shot the boss say, you know say. Easy no car. This is a Kartel interview. I'm addressing this. So watch you know, you saw them fuck up, and when them girls see greatness, them want to run in, but you don't know loyalty. You hear that? What are them nose? I'm out. That's it.
I'm out.
So follow me on Instagram VIP _that Dan, you know say the girl that yeah.
That is it. Big up yourself and you're clean. Jamaica walk by. See? Yeah, you come out. Me like your vibe, you have energy. And that I say big up Kartel straight.
So I'm not ask guys, I have to big him up.
Bad. Outside.
And Adija Palmer, I'm not ask nobody that.
Big that. Which my part from?
2 mile.
2 mile. Big up on 2 mile.
231 Spanish Town Road, Kingston 13. Big up 2 mile and big up St. Joseph.
Madam bad. I want this under my nose. I'm out.
We there DownTown. Remember Pigeon Street, Shrete Fashion Way with there. You can get a earbuds for $1,000. Mr. Chin, do this and beat me. You cannot do this China boy. Remember me a black man, so me cater for the Jamaicans. Cause me not send go overseas and come selling for $1 million no. And everybody have money. Watch it now. We have the cartel shirt, you hear that? Brawley, you don't know, fully Gaza. Gaza for life, fully Gaza. Me alone going to them money. We have the jacket suit for the female them. You see what I say? We have all size, you know, bad bro. So those, and we have the nice t-shirt them. $1,000, we have Louis V. We have Polo. Me not tell about Polo where the man have 6 leg ride the donkey. We not talk about that cause that not ready. We have Nike. You hear that bad bro? We have Puma. We have Kartel all around in the circle. And watch out, baby, you can't just give me 12 bits because Kartel say don't pressure people them. Because Kartel keep Freedom Street. And watch out, through weed, I was a die-hearted fan with some other people. Some people don't really have no money for go Freedom Street. So teacher, take a break and him say, here we go. Discount, Black Friday, Freedom Street. Some tell us guys are real youth, Kartel are real youth. Some of them pussy are ungrateful, them artists boy, them look out for themselves. But bro, take down the Kartel there. But Kartel, remember me tell me artists be rated to the ground where you walk, man. Me love how you do girl tune. We know say you're fully bad. And me can tell you this, brawling. Kartel can go anywhere in the world and nobody not do him nothing. Him not do no security. We as Jamaican are in security because we not do him nothing. Everybody love Kartel. So you hear some boy talk about Kartel can't go there so call him this and him that. I chat too much. But you hear some boy do them interview there, you know. If them walk around man with them and box them down, you know, bro. Better Jamaica, we love Kartel, you know, bro. We don't love, not even respect due to Bob Marley, but we don't love Bob Marley like how we love Kartel. You hear that? Bye, bro. I want you fully Kartel. Take it off fire up, man. Because them thing a play thing. Brawling. One DownTown. They are 360p camera. See there? See there? She cock up to you, know, bro. And this, a Brazilian. This is not Peruvian. Thank you, nice lady, for your support. Let's first say big up Jamaica walk by.
Can I get a large?
Can I get a large, please, and thank you. Can I get a large? Can I get a large Vybz Kartel shirt? Okay, Jamaica walk by. What are the nose? I'm out.
So you don't know who's still long at all. You don't know who's supposed to remember the fire. Yeah? You understand? If the white seal at all over there, we transform the white man into a real yard man in a day. So then you all talk like Jamaican. You understand? So tell them massive, the bomb there with that now.
The one link DownTown, man, it's a boy, man. We out here, we've been out here, man. We always I represent for DownTown because we never be a clown. Remember good no, man?
That is it.
Bye.
You know, they are the on the gong see and we are going to do it. You don't know them on the table always festive. Basic now go on. We have to Irie. Big up Jay and him nephew. No joke. You understand? Look on the business. We have to talk about the business. Same speed. You understand? We have all the chain them, the herring them. You don't know yard man setting. So me ask me general. So you've been at it for a while and now DownTown and baiting. So for the 2024, you feel like so we did I do for 2024. You're going at 2025 with the same speed. Sewer energy. Drop off something or you put on something and go harder. See, take it out.
Yeah. Yeah, Reggie, Jamaica, but I remember good now. Blessed love, good to see up on the ground again. You see what I say? I want to say I love to everyone out there in the media land. Media rackety. Remember good now, man. Merry Christmas, man. Happy New Year, man. It's going to go good. It's going to go really good because we're going to always advance and enhance. So in our life, we never ever stay upon one level. It might look that way, but me never think so we ever there upon one level yet. I figure say most of the time we grow a bit, but some people not take the time out to really see how much them grow. You get what I say? Because people think say growth when you achieve certain amount of materialistic thing or when certain amount of money come in the account and when certain amount of people, but we get to find out say I really loyalty, I really love, I really they're genuine because when we want people them to stop fight now, because we don't have no fight again, you know. We just want to fight for that unity there, that love there, that genuine there. That day where we can go over there so get the salt and nobody have to cuss we and take it tail with that day. Because remember we are 70s pitney, you know. And we have to talk the truth, because only the truth can bear the fruit. So I said, Dana, big up yourself. They up on Jamaica walk by. Dana them have live it here. So I say, my Sunday are today, you know. Yeah man. Ashumore, I'm my next big baller in Jamaica, yeah? Yeah man. Tough man. And the first time when you're there with Seal and tour, Me did big up Chico Demos in Canada. Cause I remember I did my birthday in that. But I want to say today is Chico Demos' birthday. But Chico is not in Canada. He were here with me a while ago. I saw we look up some chalice and all a good vibes. So Chico Demos, happy Earth Strong again from Canada to Yard. Cause I remember good no man. So we represent again. So the fight is over. The only thing we have to do is just unite. Be we brothers keeper. Be we neighbors keeper. Each one teach one. That's what I say. You remember the days when we used to say a village raise a child. These are the days when we see we kids them out there and them go out of the way or do anything of the norm. We can talk to them. Parents, please. We are begging to make we help parents to kid them too. Uno alone can do it, I know. But as a parent still, when I send my youth a road, I tell him behave in their best manner, a card. Because I don't want you for wrong and I don't want you for right. Because the fact that you're not wrong and you're not right, you never end up involved in any fumble double. The fact that you walk with clean, spotless. So these are the days though when we see we bridging them and we see people picking at the street and we tell them something wrong. Then can look away and say, yeah, elder, thanks, and move. Then after do them, I do the same way again. Then just move and go somewhere else. Make a next elder talk to them. No, but when an elder talk to you, they come a bus stop away and say, yo, you no get up, man, you no go on to school. They might, oh, never hear you and where and this and away if the police come run them down. So, now for the time when you send the pick to them, gone to school and gone out the road and them do some things. And when the elder them talk to them violate the elder them and sometimes enough elder can't hold it. You like we are hold it still because you don't know we are 70s people, so we are really big people. You get the man say. So at the end of the day we still come back for say in the 2024 we want to pour over the love there, the unity, the family thing there, you know, the each one thing there. So you see for 2025 now, it's gonna be the money year, you know so? Yeah, money because this year the fresh water, the 2024. Yeah, because there's a 24 of fresh water, so we wash everything clean that year. I mean, I beg you. Wash out the violence, wash out the blood there, wash out the negativity there. You get to me I say, cause right now, we see for the 2025 is a money year. You get to me I say, if you look over this right now, building a build up in the arcade downtown. You get to me I say, it's material there, and we're there. So, people still are stay focused and people still got hope. So, me I beg you to just be optimist. Don't be a pessimist or be skeptic. I just want to be an optimist because when you're an optimist, you can look on the biggest advantage and smile and just know, say, I just one of them days. Bigger things are coming out of the making. So Jamaica walk by, blessed love. You're welcome anytime downtown. You're most welcome. Seal and tour, big up yourself. Because you remember I said that video there, they send me over, so I'm far away too. So bless up yourself. Good to see you again. Remember good, I miss downtown. I like Vybz me out here. Remember I did married to my wife 2015, so I married to town 2016. So miss a town, miss a downtown, and I love again. From upper town to downtown, one town. Same link from the first link when I change link. Cup in a year and cheers drink. Love you know. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and love pour over. Unity is strength. Each one teach one. Bam.
Yo, the man say everything. I have nothing more to say. That is it. Blessings and respect every time. You hear that? And big up to your son. Big up somebody now. Big up to your school link.
Big up to Ashan, Yazin.
That is it.
Big up my coach, Earl Matthias, Ascot Primary.
Madam Bad, blessings, my teacher. Outside. Yes, as I said, downtown always festive. This is another stop. I'm going to tell you, say, yo, crazy amount of clothes, every kind of thing you can think of. So right now, I'm there, the man behind the whole of the thing. You don't know who there with? That's Rasta.
Mikey Rasta.
Yeah.
Jamaics, man.
Jamaics. You can artist name that, you know. Mine are artists and they're quiet and not talking, you know.
Jamaics, you know.
So Jamaics, me ask you a simple question. So for 2024, enough people say 2024 been a rough year. See? So I want to ask you what you been at for 2024, if you continue in a 2025, are you going to drop off something, are you going to take up something, add on something, are you going to advance, are you going to go harder? Which one? Don't tell me what you do for 2025.
Go harder.
Yeah, man, take it and talk.
You have to go harder. I might survive this. You see me I deal with. And I this me eat my food off. You see it? So, me have to fight it. You see me I deal with. Can't let it go. You see me I deal with.
So right now, tell me some of the things, show some of the things where you have in your shop where people then can come out and buy for the Christmas. Anything they on sale right now? What they on sale?
All about Monday upon sale. Suit upon sale and them things.
So right now, if I say, I still Black Friday sale in my deal with. Look good. Look good. A school bag you can get. Look good. Jah know. So you don't know, big up downtown. You understand? So me I go make this at the time where you have to send some big up now, big up the family, now, big up the friend, big up the daughter, big up the son, all of them things there. So deal with it.
Yeah man, big up the daughter, big up my family them, you see it. And my mother dead now, but big up my father still where in America still and thing. You see me I deal with? Big up my family them mostly. The generation them. You see me I deal with? See it? Cause I love them same way. You see me I deal with? Yeah, man.
Big up every time again, is it? Downtown. So right now you don't know in the street of downtown me there. I may actually see some culture, Mr. Mickey Mouse, Mr. Mickey Mouse wife, and whole family come out and thing. There's a nice beautiful lady here as well. You don't know a gentleman come on over here, so another one. So who can talk to me and tell me what is happening? You? Take it away.
Alright, I am Pastor Sanders, and in Portmore tomorrow we are having a lot of fun. Giveaway, free health care for the elders. You don't have to pay nothing. Free eye testing, free health, free blood pressure, blood sugar, free meal for 60 and over. For the entertainment, adults $1,000, 50% today can get ticket for $500. We have DJ Dirk. We got Kaka Eye Flame for the young people, DJ Dirk, Skylar, and all of them people I know. We have gospel entertainers. We got Perry in Christ. We got Ivan Weatherburn, and we have a lot more coming up. Lot of entertainers. Guess what? Who are hosting the Ilias Granny? Entertainers. When we talk about Michael Jackson, Jamaican Michael Jackson, what that name? Entertainer. When we talk about the Apache Sergeant Chief, Dolph the Chef and the Magician, Portmore Art Academy, come alive tomorrow. Big up yourself.
Well said. Downtown, now we pay. Big up my teacher. Respect.
She now for go foreign for do her body as so she born. She born and shape like a dolly. She born with a little waistline. Some of them girls have done some little sheshy back and shit like a she now for go out Brazilian go do Brazilian public. She born with a big bumper. And that's what we like girl with nice body, busy. Enough girl don't like her. You know why enough girl like her? So her body big. You must know what you say. Girl, make you a go on so. So your body.
Yeah, big body girl.
And that's why some girl Jamaica walk on. Enough girl like her a long time, I know her. And you know why them like her? Them hate her for her shape and her look. You see when she a go out, check out her Instagram page, it name Roshi. You see when she a go out, a celebrity, not even Bumbleclad, Beyonce. Now look so,
hey,
any, better. Never go away now. But I know me know. I'm out.
So right now, I'm there one of my general after always a DJ. So right now, I'm turn up downtown. And I be things, you see there. A supermarket on the truck right now. In non-play. You see me? Look good. No joke. See, they sell right away. So let me ask you, wait a second, 2024, you go hard, but wait a second, 2025, you go harder. And you start already. Kick it off like a ball and roll. You think I walk and stroll. So wait a second, now give me 2 lyrics before we go. You know what I mean? Creme de la creme, more money again. The bees a pitch, more honey again. The rhythm a beat, more hits again. Brand new tune, panenix again. Man, born for this, me no come for it. Line up me interview publicist. Me well equipped with no living stuff to take the place. What you know? What is it for me, Vybz? Hey, they mash up it, I want Jamaica walk by, but it's there. Nobody hustling, nobody thought, bad. I don't know the streets load. I'm there with General from the last time. I don't know the money out there also. The chicken neck. That is it. So right now, Mr. Say you're up on it. You go out from last year and the year before that.
You have to drop off and come back again, you know what I mean?
So it's every 2025, bigger and better.
Bigger and better. brawling.
It's a 2024 wash off and 2025 and money here.
I show you. Right now, money we are look right now. You know see how this place around. Look how it's done big. Look there. You know see everything I can get. Watch it. Jesus Christ. Not everything don't get cheap. What say? Come down at town.
That is it, man. So watch out, how much I price in it? One way you have gizzard and Mrs. Say you have Nick.
Gizzard right now our chicken 2-star jerk. Feel like I play me a play. A jerk me a jerk and I work me a work. You know what I feel like?
No, we say work is actually work and a jerk.
Work and jerk.
That is it, my bro.
Work for the program we want, though? Alright, that is it. We want in me hip. We want in me hip. You want neck, you want gizzard, we want in the hip. Talk to me, quick and fast and a talk. No, everything, Lord. What them I do? Looking at me hip. What them want in the hip? Talk to me. People don't come down and one neck pass, right? One neck pass.
Big up my respect. Big up my respect every time, my boss. See that, man? That is it, a code. So right now downtown, as a member, right here so from Bedford Street used to be whole heap of chapaling over the whole place. So I realize that going down for the December, them actually are cut out that. So as you can see, all of them chapaling are take up and a be a business place. The place look devious. Oh my word, look good. Downtown. You understand? So it's a different vibe for this year. Them clean up Bedford Street a different way, so more open up. If you remember the last videos them, or the place looks so. Yeah, it's a vibe, it's an energy. And make we say, oh, the December go. No joke, no doubt. How you mean? New look for downtown for this Christmas. Make we see it work out. Madam bad. So watch, I don't know some day when I general right as I tell you, a business. You talk about the ladies close them. I'm sitting there going right as well. I'm over there, so
yeah, man, the junior man, aka JR. You don't know, I downtown with it.
That is it. So right now, man, easy. Come here, tell us, I only for new beat, me sit down at town. You see me?
We always trendy, you know it go. I downtown, this everything sell at town.
Madam bad. So let me ask you, my general. Mr. Say, whole heap of festival, you don't at town for a while. So what you been doing in 2024? You feel like you're going to do it in 2025?
Yeah, man, no change, man. I work same way, man. We want to go harder, brother. You understand? See if we can turn up the business. You understand? See if we can get something. See if we can take one trip. You don't know this time. Now work for nothing. But we are putting in the work, though.
That is it. So let me ask you, though. You don't know, say you're youth in the street, you know. So you have one heap of general. So you have to pick up to a general, them straight.
Which general? As in who? Artists?
Anybody. Pick up to a year, bridging them.
Oh, yeah, I big up my father, I big up my mother, and big up my son, Checha.
Where's your son?
Yeah, I big him up same way.
How old your son be now?
Yeah, I'm a 5, man.
I'm a 5?
Yeah. Look, boy, you don't know. I big him up same way.
See you go, me cut you a while ago and I say big up your baby mother. Big out no, man.
Yeah, man, I big up my baby mother same way. I understand, because she give me the first one.
Madam bad, me respect that, hear that.
Myself, bro. You know, you go, we out here, downtown, everything there town.
Mad. Elbow.
Respect.
So see there again, we're up on Bedford Street load. No joke, no doubt. Look at all them cooks here. Look at. When me people them there, the forward, crooks, everything there. So how many there, so we don't know?
Yeah, man, I bit like girl, my name I call, you know.
Wait, the artist?
Yeah, man, mouth full of gold and crime, you know.
So you know say about your piece I song when time we finish?
We no problem, man. Because you know, say I go on a $3 million in a mouth, you know, no joke, you know.
That is it. So right now we are also today. So what are you also today?
We are also some trucks and some Nike, you know. Because you know what the girl them like, you know. You see what I say? I want to come for my bike, you know.
Where's that come for the bike?
I want all a stab off a knife, you know.
Wait, so hear me now, man. You have got to drop 2 tunes. Drop a one song.
They may have more money and St. James scammer. Champagne, me use and wash me bima. Me no use gas, me no use wood fire. Money, me light and cook my dinner. Tell cash gold make my dresser. Money make me sheet when me use and cover. Millions of dollars na my mattress and pillar. Boy, I build house, me I build twin tower. I that, you know.
Madam bad me teacher.
All bank crime, man, I beat a ras man, Portmore. You always say I did the teacher. Here we still a learn.
That is it. So how much you want of them cooks there?
Them cooks are 3 grand up, you know.
And you have the kids too?
Yeah, man, after the girl, them exchange is no robbery.
Exchange? Yeah, we go there. Big up that bro. joke. Look good now, man. Downtown. Madam bad. Figure that. So right now, I'm there one of my general. Oh, there, so we don't know.
Don't know I'm platinum, you know, you hear that? Right out of Spain, you know, you hear that? Just stop it nice.
Black, I like that style, right? Just stop it nice.
Nice, man. Oh, I'm to my friend, man. Just stop it nice, man.
So right now, yo, it's so far, you know, big up yourself. So yo, for you say stop it nice, me like me say you have style. So you're artist.
You know, say don't know we are the dancer still, but you don't know we are big money, you know, you see me, dog? Take it on a different levels, my friend, you see it?
Big up and respect, you see me? So right now, we say, you've been at it for 2024 and things, so how you feel like you're going to deal with the 2025?
Right now, I want to deal it well active, you know, my friend, you see me? Because you know, say every Christmas and every year when I really laugh with it still, you see it, man, dead. So you don't know about this, you see me? I want to take it from a different levels, dog. You hear that?
Madam, bad and respect. So right now you say big up Spain town. So you want to have got big up some of you link them and you get the youth at anybody. Send a big up right now and make them know say yo. You see them for 2025.
I whole of Spain, man. Big up, man. I platinum one more time, man. You hear that? Big up the whole of Spain, man. You hear that? The whole of Spain.
Big up and respect me teacher, man.
Center man, same way. You don't know. Alright.
Madam, bad. Tapping nice now, man.
Do it, man. You hear that? Just stop it nice, man. You hear that?
Big up that. Big up and respect. Hear me teacher. They say stop it nice now, man. So yeah, massive. Downtown does different. You understand? Downtown does different, as you can see. Look good now, man. Downtown. The place set up a little different. Look good. You understand? Right from Bedford Street. You have me teacher. Hold that. One Jamaica walk by night place. That is it, the man. Here. Outside with it. Downtown. Look good.
Outside with it. We're going from a town upon Bedford Street. You know what the color code. Remember that. 2 days and 3 days. Yeah.
Quick scale and small profit massive. Forward downtown. Get the high fashion them. Downtown. Bedford Street. Big up all of my teacher them down here. Look good. All around the world watch the channel. One Jamaica walk by. Outside with it. Look good. Downtown.
One Jamaica walk by like
that is it.
Active, you know.
Man. So right now we don't know, we don't have one of the businessmen them, you understand? Look good. You understand? Over there with right now. Now we see me in my camera lens, you know. Over there with everybody who never seen it.
One going boss, man. Up in the village, man. One going boss. You know the code. So what go on?
So hear me I say, so you've been at the hustling scene, you've been up on the grind. Downtown always active with a man like you. So tell me now, for 2025, you jump off of anything, you drop nothing, and you go harder, and you choose some more things for it and say, yo, I'm bigger and better. Why the motive for 2025?
Hard and done, you know. Hard and done. Can't stop again. Sky tapping, straight up. Yeah, man, I hit, man.
I be all who don't know, tell them say you really, you know, man.
From them say it, man. Remember we never knock off and I'm out with chat off.
Yo, nobody ever tell us if you ever got next step.
Couple time, regular man.
So you can't sing?
Listen.
You can't sing?
You know me artist, man.
Alright, so you say all who don't know say I'm an artist. Sing that. Give me something now, man.
Alright, hello friend, me tell them one of a kind. Some of them know when I look good time. Some look good if you got them. Another, watch a wanna. Huh. We put me in a tea in a different color. Me dog them bleach out white flower. Remember that, look for that one there, yeah. Alright, that's the man.
That is it, big up and respect. You hear that? Don't the outside. Yeah, right now we don't have town, and I tell us downtown that's festive. And right now we don't one of the businessmen that downtown. Businessman. So tell me, with 2024 you go hard. So how you feel like you're going to deal with 2025? Take it and tell people.
Oh, just it. Where's the road Lego and look this way? Right timing, you see it. 2025, we have to talk about 25 now, no. You see it, because we can't talk about 24, because 24 soon finish. So, 2025, you know, first I have to say, Father, thank you. But 2025 we are go hard, real hard.
Bad and bad, me J, you don't know?
See the top.
So right now, massive, you don't know, when you hear me there, we say, bam bam be that bam, oh the Glock sound, bam bam be. Yeah, we are going over the artist. I mean, I tell you, say, before we reach the artist, you understand, look up with them, other general, when them call you.
One cologne boss, man.
One cologne boss, you know what I mean, so I feel thing this, look up.
Never change. One cologne boss. That is it, never change. It's a tape.
The record.
Alright, that is it.
So right on the cologne boss, the latest cologne and them thing they done at town are him. So right on Bedford Street, you can't miss it. You see me, I say, no joke, no doubt. I'm going to send a big up now. So big up some people in the 2024.
Yeah, man, I have to big up myself, man. First thing first, big up myself. You know, say, I tell them I'm going to register a business. So you know, say, that is it, 2025. A murder. No joke.
Madam, but me respect that. Sin, and more blessings for 2025. Sin, that is it. So massive, you see me? When we fall down at town, that thing in there right over there, so I tell you, say, when we fall the man that's a rip up the wall of down at town, and I have to say, who that? Who that a DJ? And I sell. But look for the man you know. It look like a man did in 2024. Look grimy. Look good now, man. So right now, make them know. Me even want them to say your name now. No. Why you don't drop it through, we go viral, make them have an idea directly who we attack.
Oh, the grab boss, bam bam, the damn bam, clatty rifle, bam bam bam, 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 BCT lucky down, Jamaica walk by body, no flip up, the take and knock it up. Look on the girl, they hold the girl, they pussy. Yes, it, Jamaica walk by, King Image, they on the ground live again, is it? Believe, you hear that? Say it, bad bro.
So right now, we're there, we say, yo, we know say you go hard with 2024. You go hard in a 2023. But tell them what you going to deal with 2025.
2025 is a whole different era, because I notice the people that take me for this. Town man, same way. I want to know say me a real artist and me a do music. And we have some whole heap of things where I drop the spaceship with country hype. And we drop a portion to song with Mac, and we have some new things come out right now. Some new work with DNA, some whole heap of producer goes to the case, and I want to check them out. Richard and Blood Clot, two them a carbon copy. Capping for the fame, little boy, you know, stop a big baby, and I pick up early same, and I skate the Maserati, me nearly go cash it. We sing it and me not stop, be my black pan, black two, girl, I suck my cock, me a semi fear chop. Me living at the chop, every state on the map, Eddie on the phone, at cough, syrup and Sprite, give me. I'm a thing, you know what the as usual, a wicked piece of sitting.
So massive, if you don't know him, more want to go out there and search. So right now, you can find him on every platform. More you make sure you give out all of the platform them, the TikTok, the Instagram, the YouTube, the Vivo, and you're DNA a big producer. So it's a normal thing. But the man I work with DNA, you know it's a normal job. So tell them how to find you and your new show.
Yeah, me I say more want to find me on the IG at King Image 876, TikTok same way, King Image 876, and on the YouTube at King Image Vivo. And me I say big up the whole of bad producer them out there, DNA, Mac, big up yourself, Dagos, big up yourself, big up the whole of downtown, you hear that? Hey la, come for the cane mama, cocky up in your brain mama, me inside mama, check the scale what's the weight gamma, downtown man I hate banger, we no play nana, lift the banana, cane nana, away sing it, remember that, now Jamaica walk by, you know it go.
Respect and manners. You know more time me not, you notice me not say nothing. Me not call your name, me not know. You know why? Because here more time an artist rebrand. I mean we not see him for a while and realize them rebrand and they have something where I want to say. So me always make sure say, oh no say the thing them, you see me?
We always have things I want to say why people them for know say oh. When you tune into music down and just tune into downtown and don't, because we are the music on a serious level, you see. And me I drop some blood clot lyrics see people them here, so I want to get used to the thing and get, just get used to the thing, I'm mad thing, you see it.
One King Image, you hear that? No joke, no doubt. See it there. Here my sister, you don't know me still down at town. I'm there with my brethren. You know so me now forward down at town and me not give my ears. You understand? No joke, no doubt. And me see some of a customer right now and I sell. No joke, no doubt. Right on Bedford Street, we're there. So as he might explain to me, I say, yo, the thing change up. Them get them own a space. Them get a nice little spot. So you can see it. It not really all that big, but it a work. So you man have a shots them. Psycho money feels party rider for the girls them. And be a sitter. So look how good. So right now, tell them which have, tell them.
You can't tell them, man. Yeah, pick up yourself. Massive. You can't tell them, man. Yeah, look good.
Freedom Street.
Freedom Street.
We know say yourself. So right now, see if you have a one shirt. So let me ask you. Alright, let me ask this nice beautiful lady here. So for 2024, you've been a go on. You can't tell. You understand? So what's your plans for 2025? Oh, you're going to do 2025. And somebody tell me down there, so say 2024 are the water year, the wash off. So 2025 are money. So what you say about 2025?
No know enough. No know yet.
You don't know yet?
No.
But you know say you live. Make sure say you live. You live it. You go see.
Yeah.
That is it. So you know 2024 hard. What you say? What you do 2025?
2024 the rough. 2024 the rough. 2025 want it better. I will get a different treatment. Okay? Yeah, look good. Them take we off on the road and put it behind. Look for the yellow line. The yellow line. Yeah. Massive, pick up yourself, you know. One Jamaica walk by.
That is it. Go and do your job. See? No joke, no doubt. Downtown, Bedford Street. Yeah. So right now, me downtown, and I mean it's a vibe, it's an energy. Me there would one of the dolly them downtown, no joke. Remember, I know say me and say you can see it. Look at eyelash, and I see eyelash on fleek. You know see the face on fleek. You know see the earstring on fleek. I be a sit. Look up on our chest. And my thing. So who be there with?
Pretty Boo.
Oh, what a name. Say it again.
Pretty Boo.
Pretty Boo. Madam Bad. So we're outside and we're downtown. So we know so 2024 did rough. You understand? You don't lose somebody in 2024?
No, thank God.
Oh my God, thank God. Me can't say it because I lose so much in 2024. But also I don't lose nobody for 2025. So your 2024 was hard. So where's the 2025?
2025 is more progressive year, is a success year for me. You understand? It's a year when I know I'm going to achieve all of my goals, all of my prayers, I'm going to come true up here there. You understand me? So it's like, I just know I'm confident. Everything when I lost, I'm going to get it back in 2025. I just want to shout out to my 3 kids them. And you don't know I'm roadside. Here just a place, the whole of the salon, and you don't know who their friend can come and take a trip down at Princess Street. 90 Blue Box, Princess Street. So you don't know. When you can just see ask a pretty boy, you don't know. No good cocky boy can walk out our life. We go up and one year we pray for that. Period, because we not take man's problem. We not do man's stress.
Yeah, that is it. I like your name, I like your style, I like that you get to talk to me and things. So let me endorse and blast. So you do ear and nails and them something down here?
Yes, I do ear alone.
Oh, ear alone you do?
Yeah.
So anytime you cut ear too?
Yeah.
And you do wig and...
Yes, sir.
Alright, so right now, Pretty Boo. So make sure you come downtown and ask the Pretty Boo. Right, exactly. What's it? Off Bedford Street or what is?
Princess Street, right 90 Blue Box. If anything, you can ask the bad bitch, Sasha bad bitch.
Yeah, that is Sasha bad bitch?
Yeah, on the ends, right so.
Madam Bad, so may I ask you one more question. So, you do on social media, don't it?
Yes, I do.
You have to TikTok on your social media. So, all the ladies them can link and say, yo, me a forward down the tomorrow, come make a start me out. Get it out.
Alright, listen, you can link me at TikTok at Pretty Boo 45, Pretty Boo 1. Yeah, I think Pretty Boo 1. As you put in Pretty Boo, you're going to see me come up. So, it's not hard to find.
That is a mad love and respect. See, I'm going to wish you all the best. No, I'm here for me the richest in 2025. You hear that?
Right there.
That is it. One love. Yes, so we don't at all with another general. You don't know anything. Right, that's what I tell us. No joke thing. Look good. Julie. Ears ring, chain ring. All I think them for the ladies and basing thing. No joke, no doubt. So we there with another teacher. Why the girl is sexy, man. Other pants are sexy for the mannequin. How much a pants are sell for? Leggings. How much it a go for? All of me ladies them forward now, man. Remember say be a dollar we deal with, you know. So we there run a general and the man a sell out the thing them the right way. Yeah, who we there with?
One man.
Everybody say one An artist name that
One downtown, man, my father.
So right now, we say you're there in the street and you sell, you do your hustling and things. So we know say 2024 been a rough year. You don't lose somebody for 2024.
No, sir. It's a blessing month, you know? Blessing here, blessing here.
That is it, that is great. So right now, you're downtown. You're there for how long now since you're downtown yourself?
A good while, man. Over 5 years, man. That's it. Good while.
Over 5 years. All right, so you've been a do it. So what you think you're going to deal with for 2025? You're going to chop something, and you're going to add on something and go harder?
Well, I must add, I can't nothing else. You see me, I'm more life. From we have life, everything possibly. You understand? So from we have life, life are the greatest. So we just go full force and just go for 2025. You understand?
So we are the December 31st.
I must have a cartel.
But there's a Freedom Street, the 31st. Yeah, so right now, show me some of the things them we are selling, man.
Kiss me, baby, man. See how the world boss say, kiss me, baby. We have the Betty Boo them, we have the A-Star them, we have a way bad thing in the shop, man. We have the Amari exchange them. As you say, they just come downtown and one enterprise. And we have the jewelry there as a kilo. So you see what I want, everything, one stop, one shop. You understand? Downtown, man, Bedford Street, right in front of Bashko, one
One see that? Even Josie. Madam, but no joke. I hate. Yes, all right, I know we downtown, you know what I mean? We see that little girl, her smile just are glowing. Which school you at?
St. Aloysius Primary.
Oh, yeah, how old are you?
11 years old.
All right, so what's your plan for 2025?
Pass all my exams.
Oh, yeah, how much you will be doing?
4.
4? So what you say? All A?
Yes.
You pray?
Yeah.
You pray?
Yeah.
That is it. Anything you ask God and put your head to it, you shall receive. You hear that? That is it. So this is your mommy?
Yes.
All right, so mommy, right now you're there now also. You understand? And 2024 you've been a go hard, can see it. You understand? We've been downtown enough time. So basically, what the resolution for your 2025? When I see if I say new year, I say for the whole year. What you feel like you want to do for 2025?
Bigger and better.
Bigger and better?
Areas, yeah.
So this is where you sell anything and send your kids to school, oh?
Right here.
How many child you have?
2.
And next one that?
No, this is my nephew.
Shine bright.
So she a one?
Shine bright.
Shine bright, they can't. She always a smile. Me like it. So, yeah man, continue to make sure say you continue that God bless you. Keep on do what you do. Don't give up, don't stop. Not name drop off, go harder. Alright? So if something don't work this year, make sure say next year if it work. Because guess what? You have to feel, if you know say, yeah, go on. If you don't feel that mean not now go on. That is it. So blessed love and respect. Anybody want big up?
Big up. No, really. Alright, big up the whole of downtown, Bedford Street, large.
Katie.
Big up my sister Katie.
She there far, you know. Yeah, she there far, but big up Katie. That is it.
Yeah. What downtown massive. So right here so you can get your jewelry and the supporter and them look thing there and make sure say Christmas merry. She called. So right now we still there downtown. I'm there with a nice lady here. Big up to my church sister. No joke, no do. What's your name?
I'm Sister Watson.
Sister Watson. Yeah. Sister Watson, you sell all of them nice beautiful things, yeah?
Yes, my brother, yes. I forgive God the glory. It's all about him, though.
That is it. So right about now we're here with Sister Watson, right? I'm going to tell her, say, Sister Watson, you go and go and make me declare it right now. So all of them things are going to sell off for the December year in the name of Jesus. So we're currently on Bedford Street in downtown Kingston, as you can see. No joke, no doubt. Oh, here's a you too. Look good now, man. Look good now, man. No joke now, man. Look good now, man. Eh? So, Sister Watson said nothing now go on. So, we're going to try to change that. So if for that Christmas you want to forward downtown from Bedford Street and buy I will say more to come.
More to come. And God will say, you know. So God promised to supply we need according to your riches in glory, you know. So you see, as long as we trust God, God will send the buyer and God will send the goods. So here we do now, we are slow and we are wait for God to send in the buyer and we are wait for the goods to come because enough of the goods them the power for coming out. So we just go easy and trust God because it's all about Him, you know?
That is it, well said. So 2024 been a rough year for you?
Yes.
You actually lose anybody for 2024?
No, but you know, sometimes financial problems, sometimes, but you know it's all about God because God is still a trust.
That is it, no joke. So for 2025, what's your aim for 2025?
Well, more want to dig deeper in God. You know, and I pray that you know everyone will come in that knowledge of God and love God. And know it's all about Him. And I care what we do. And where we go, we still have to come back from God because Him is the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. You understand me? And God love everybody. And we all have to just turn from our evil ways and know it's all about God. You understand? And right now, I really want to dig deeper in God and love God more. And trust Him.
That is it. That is it. Well said. Which church are you at?
Oneness Apostolic.
Oh, where is that?
18 Federal Road, Signum.
That is it. So right now, you have any kids?
Yeah, I have 4 kids. They are big person now. I have 3 boys and 1 girl.
So you know, so this is the time we give them a special big up for going through the Christmas.
Yeah, I big up Tasha, Nicholas Watson, Jovan Watson, David Watson, Tasha Watson. I big up every one of them. And I trust God that next year they will come in that knowledge of God turn. And you know, be saved because El real and ever is real. And God is coming back again. Nobody know the minute, now the time, now the hour. When Him shall put in His appearance, so me ask, let me tell you, God will not for nobody go hell. God will is for everybody to be changed and serve Him. But you know, because of people and the devil, you know, people, the devil allow the enemy to step in and change their mind from God and, you know, peer pressure. But God love everybody and everybody need to come in that knowledge of God.
That is it, and well said. Thank you for that also, yeah? So blessed and happy new year when it's forward.
To you, my son. And I hope you will come in that knowledge of Christ too and get saved because the care what we achieve in life, all of these are just total vanities and vexation of spirit. And we need to repent and know, say, it's all about God. God is coming back again. And all of them, it's just nothing, brother. You understand me? So I hope, you know, you will just hear the word of God and add that your heart, open your heart and give God a chance in your heart.
That is it. Well said, and thank you so much for that. And I make sure I hope all the persons that I will actually listen to Miss Watson and Miss Watson downtown upon the hustling and upon the grind. Blessings and love always. You hear that? That is it. Seal it. Man. Yeah, man, big up and thanks, yeah?
Cool. Yeah, give God thanks and praise. The order of the day is to repent. I will repent, return to the Lord, because He's coming one of these days. You know, I myself have to get myself ready to meet Him, because He said, in the twinkling of an eye, we shall be changed. You know, and we don't want to leave behind. We want to stand fast. So get rid of our pum-pum printer, our breast stiffener, and look to God. God bless you. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thank you so much, and you too. One love. Yeah, massive. So right now we're still long at all. I mean, so right now look on that spot here. Look on that spot here. All type of jeans. Jeans for the woman them, for the man them, for the youths them, for the teenager them. Amazing thing I want. Brand name jeans. Crazy thing. So right now, oh, Mr. Labasa with.
Bookie.
Bookie?
Yeah, one bookie.
So right now we're there, so we book it. And book it. Before me even ask the 2 questions, which part they can find me?
Where them can find
which part they right now?
Downtown, Bedford Street and Princess Street corner. 1 to Red Square. Never change.
Never change.
Never change.
That is it. So right now we say how 2024 did for you?
Boy, I feel good. I think 25 I go powerful. Right you know, the biggest thing me see the government never do. I set the road the way here. Make the people them can float. That means money, we know say the money I go float.
Yeah, so it's from the road I float, the money I go float.
Money I go float, straight. Make tell you that.
Yeah, so right now, yeah, so you say 2024 did good. And you say 2024, 2025 you want to be bigger for you. Powerful.
Power. They are powerful.
Alright, so watch you now. So tell me about some of the fashion them you have. So take it on the phone and just start.
Yeah, well, no, me have it alive. Me have it purple. You see the alive. Me have it purple. All type of jeans me have. Any type of jeans you want me get. And the cargo them. See the cargo them over there, sir? In the corner them there. Them the far. You see me? Hold on, me I go for the cargo them. See me I deal with the cargo them, you know. Yeah. And the maddest thing this, you know. And the maddest thing this, you see him not even want to come. And the maddest thing this. Mad, bad. You see me, and me I one Joseph par. No more. See it? Crab up. Oh. You see me? And if you not come a bookie store, you can't get none. Anyway you not come a bookie store, you can't get none of them cargo here. No cargo. Straight up.
Yeah, so how much am pants I go for?
Alright, the pants are for 3 grand. Could be more. But the wholesale we sell it. 3 grand wholesale. So when them come, if them a ball, we deal with them good. Me not go tell you how much me I go give them for. Well,
listen, evidence forward.
Yeah. You see me? Up to the time. You see me? And the cargo is
bad. Me like the beat, me like the beat. So right now, massive. So far, it look like every day down here Black Friday.
Every day. Every day. Black Friday for me, every day. Every day. Yeah, for me. I don't know about another man, but me know about me.
Quick sale, small profit.
You know the thing.
Figure that. So you must say, we're done here with Becky, so talk to me. You have to send some big up in that is the time where you have to big up some people and do all of your wishes and all the people that you want to set up with that area.
My little daughter named Timira, and not my real daughter, but my little daughter. You say she did that, boy. You know the thing powerful. Big up yourself in New York, my little daughter. You know that. You know, say me and you could have rocked the street. Straight.
Yes, so right about now, we're still actually the downtown. I might say it was just a great vibe, just a different energy. But find out what the people them actually are doing at the street, all the people them actually are go through the Christmas, find out some of them New Year resolution, and see how them are going at 2025. 2024 actually been a rough year for many people. So you know what I mean? We can see around the parade side where the whole of the market side they burn down and things. So I know that them people they probably feel it to go through the Christmas year. See me? Me say millions of dollars worth of goods has been damaged. So that has been a video of downtown. We're going to do a bunch of videos going through downtown, going to Christmas. You know what I mean? So big up to everybody who me talking on the street today. You don't know me there, me general CMC.
Yeah, one really good downtown. No look good. See me? Yeah. In town come a town. One really good downtown. That is it.
What do you mean? So, yeah, massive, there you have it. Big up to everybody who stay tuned and watch a video. Yeah, it's just a vibe down at town. Yeah, I'm there in my general spot. So, when you're circling, right on Beckford Street. Beckford Street and Princess Street. All right, the same day. So, the forward, support the thing. Look on the chat them behind me. I know joke thing. So, big up our respect. Big up to everybody again. If you just join the channel, make sure say you subscribe. Like the video, drop some comments. See? Mad love, mad respect. Jamaica walk by. And as Kartel say, I want this under my nose. I'm out.